Welcome back. Part 2 of Stratum OS. In this part, we'll go through to check all of our systems, check our BitX miners. Okay, let's go log in and let's go. Here we go. Here's our first page called our fleet dashboard. We have on our menu over here our dashboard apps, our workbench, our app store, and our settings. We have at the top the CPU, 17%, memory, 13%, disk, 13%, and it shows you the IP of this node /pool. Down here on the fleet hash rate, this is combined of my two BitX miners, 4.21 terahash on this. Over here on the worker side of it is my worker BitX 801 coming in, hashing the coin BCH, which is Bitcoin Cash, hash rate of 2.68 terahash, and the biggest so far is 9.99 megahash. The Bitcoin Cash network hash difficulty is 760 gigs. Last year, 28 seconds. Our BitX 601 is 1.41 terahash per second. Best share, 209 megahash. And also the same difficulty for the network, 760 gigs. At the bottom is an overview. We got 100% sync to the blockchain. Our pool hash rate is 4.2 terahash. We got two workers, and our best share of the two workers is 999 megahash. Going over here to the apps section, we have two apps that we loaded up, BCH and the bench. Now going to our workbench, which I'll go down here, which is the same thing as we're working to my AXC bench, which I installed. There it goes. Took a little while to do that. We have the dashboard, which we have one loaded up, which is our BitX 601 fleet hash rate. Let me get a little closer here. It's 109. Total power, 20.3 watts. Fleet efficiency, 17. It's going to fluctuate. The best boot since the boot, 209 megahash. Our best difficulty is 9.66. Okay, it's going to show the temperature over here, the fan efficiency, the best. Over here, the hash rate, 1.16, power, 20.3 watts. The temperature, 72.8 Celsius. No errors. Okay. You can also do benchmarks here. Do all of the benchmarks, just like this. Just goes on and on. The best profiles. You can go through all these tests. Get all the profiles of all your miners, and it'll select which the best profile down here, which I have really not played a lot with this. Then we have your monitoring tab, real-time fleet monitoring. Right now, your BitX is monitoring. 1150 megavolts, 1.09 terahash, temperature 72, supply voltage 5.16, power 20.3 watts, frequency 550 over here. Okay, this will give you live monitoring what goes on with your miner. You can do this with each miner. You can hook up, just select which one Over here, you'll add dashboard. Here we go. We add on the dashboard. Then we go from there. Sessions is your benchmark sessions. Your profiles is the profile that you want. You can be aggressive, you can be conservative, you can be sporty, balanced, whatever. And your pool, you can do a pool switching. You can go from different pools or create a pool. Operations. This will give you all your profile schedulers, pool schedulers, on and on. It just goes deeper and deeper. You want to mess around with that. Okay, we're going to go over here to the side. We're going to click on it, off of it, back to the dashboard. Okay, do our AXB Bitcoin Cash. Here's our pool information here. It gives your headers, peers. You got 2 workers, 4.60 hash rate, terahash, difficulty, and ETA to find a block. Down here is your, so up as a previous video, we went through that. Okay, your pool connected to your node plus port 4567. Then it gives you the breakdown of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever your hash rate is for that particular time range. This is your best share, ETAs. This is your worker details. Follow that. The luck part of it, this is your luck, 0.07%. Groundwork 528 meg. And your shares tracked 396,228. No blocks found so far. And over here's your blocks. If you had any blocks that you found, it was put them right here. Okay, we'll get out of that. Go back to our dashboard. I actually would go to the App Store. This is your App Store. This is all the apps you can install. It gives you versions of it. And also up, when they ever ready to update, I'll also put update up here to a new version. Sims, your game, Doom, and on and on. And you go to your global, and you got all kinds of apps you can put on here. My finger out of the way. So you can go through those. Pretty nice. A whole lot of stuff on there. So anyway, it's not bad. And of course, settings we went through last time. Guys, that's about it. You just get on here, log in, and just monitor. You can tweak whatever you want. Monitor all your bit axes, your AC, all kinds of stuff you put on here. Just point it to this node. Open your dashboards. Monitor your systems here, CPU, all your temperatures, all your hash rates, everything. If something messed up, you can go back and you know where to look. It's just simple as that. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.